morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng crab sa Sprite. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Chef, ito lang yung mga kakailanganin natin. We have here 1/2 kilo crab. Meron tayo ditong Sprite, cooking oil, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Chef, what we're going to do first is ilagay natin yung ating crab sa isang kawali. Kailangan nakatihaya siya ka-friendship para na ma-remain yung flavor ng ating crab habang niluluto natin. So, ayan. And then, after that, ilagay na natin yung ating Sprite. Ayan. Then, sindihan natin yung ating stove. And at this point, pwede na tayong maglagay ng konting salt. And pepper. Okay, so ayan na ka-friendship. Hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan hanggang maluto yung ating crab or mag-evaporate yung ating Sprite. So let's go back later. Friendship, malapit na mag-evaporate yung ating Sprite sa ating crab. So what we're going to do next is lagyan natin ng kunting cooking oil. Ayan na siya ka-friendship. So, pakuluan na lang natin siya ng at least another 2 minutes. Luto na yung ating crab with Sprite. Kaya ayan na po, luto na yung ating crab. Ready for serving na siya. Kaya ito na po yung ating finished product. Yung ating crab na niluto sa Sprite. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!